Welcome, here I've got Kyocera Torque G03 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can get access to some advanced camera settings. One of this is the photo size, so when we pick this, we can manage the size of the picture, so the ratio connected with the quality, as you can see. Now let's focus on the ratio. We have 4:3 and 16:9 ratio, so let's pick 16:9 now to see the difference, and OK. And now let's go back to the camera. As you can see, this is the longer one aspect ratio than 4:3. And to see the difference, let's go back to the settings, to the size, and pick once again 4:3. And as you can see in the camera preview, it looks like that. And of course I suggest you to keep this on best possible quality, which is 13 megapixels to 4:3 and 8 megapixels to 16:9 aspect ratio. And this is how to manage this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.